Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can register for online banking account or sign up for mobile banking of MidCountry Bank using the website. So for this I have already opened the website and typed midcountry.bank. So that's the official website, and right now as you can see I am on the official website. Now to register yourself, simply tap on the login option. Now here simply tap on the enroll now option and wait for another website to open up. Now here scroll down and then fill in the details. You can tap on the option like this and choose the type of your account, then enter your account number, your social security number, security question, security answer, or email address. Again confirm your email address and tap on the enroll now option, and afterwards follow the instructions till the end. So that's how you can register yourself or sign up for the mobile banking of MidCountry Bank. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.